Hey guys, this is Taran. So I'm gonna be going through as to how the website should look, and not just the look, but the look and feel of it, and the user experience part of it. And I'm also gonna be telling where the text comes and where button links to, and all sorts of stuff. So let's start. So if you look at as soon as the website loads, it's gonna be the hero section. The hero section is gonna have the city on the right side, and it's gonna have your USB text on the left side. So that is your hero section, and that is still a work in progress. And after that, if you choose to scroll down, you get into the scenes part of it. So this is where you'll be moving through the actual 3D scenes. And so this is to demonstrate you. So this is how it's gonna be in the actual site. So as you can see, once you start scrolling, you start descending into the lobby, and boom, you're in the lobby, and you can see all these characters doing different actions. So here's the first text. So once I'm in this particular frame, that is frame 600, so you're gonna get your intro USB texts. For example, you had the intro text like realistic engines and stuff like that, and so the screen's gonna go into a backdrop, and you're gonna get your information over here, your USB texts. And then as you continue to scroll, the idea is to feed information to the users as you scroll in a very immersive way. And to just enhance the immersiveness in this, you kind of go through these characters holding hands and stuff like that, and that's how you exit the lobby, and you get into the second section, which is the art gallery. So as you can see, this is just a grayscale models, and textures still have to be applied, which is going to be done on the site using Three.js. So let's worry about that later. Then I'll just continue, and then as I go, this for the art gallery, for the characters, we kind of went in a very stylized manner, like a very artistic attire, you can call that, I guess. And as you can see, the characters, there's a bit of bloom to the characters because the lighting's missing. So once the lighting comes in, the stuff's just gonna improve. So maybe the camera kind of slows down over here, and it shows something like the artist looking at the pot, and the USB text somewhere over here. And again, you start scrolling, there's another guy. So there's gonna be a painting over here, and there's a guy staring at the painting. Stuff like this adds life to the world and life to the site. So as I keep scrolling, I can just, the camera moves through the gallery, and there's another character who just there, and she's standing near the models that you have over the showcase over here. And then the idea over here, so it's like a transition from the art gallery to the shop. So while thinking about transitions, this was one of the best transitions that we could come up with. So it's going to be a painting. This is a painting of the shop. So what we are going to do is, if I just go into this, boom, you're into the shop. So if I place a painting of the shop over here, it's going to be a really good transition, and it's like you're getting into a painting. So that that's gonna look really cool once the painting's done and all the textures are in. That's gonna be the best part. And we are still in progress for this shop part because we are yet to receive the assets for it. And so far, we are gonna be using placeholders instead of the original ones. And so far, we could come up with this. And as I scroll, I the idea here on the left was to showcase all of those beautiful glass doors, and I go to the right, there's these characters adding life to it. And okay, so in some time we are going to be adding all those assets over here, placeholder assets like racks having all those materials and stuff like canned food and all sorts of stuff. And so if I just keep scrolling, so here one of our ideas was like to, for example, let's consider a character holding showing his hand towards a canned food maybe, and the camera is going to go underneath, just like how we showed you in the lobby. The camera went through the hands of those couples, so the similar kind of idea. This kind of gives immersiveness to this thing. And as you continue to scroll, the last part, it's the cash register. So you have this character over here, and we can put a bubble sort of thing over there saying something like welcome back, or be back soon, or can't wait you to have you over here again, something like that. And you just exit out of the shop, and that's where your characters of your executive team, that's going to be there, something like, bunch of characters holding their hands and standing like this, that symbolizes the team. And that's where the button to your about us is going to be there. That's the button for the about us section. And we're gonna have we are in progress for designing this Discord bot. So you guys mentioned that your Discord community is really important, so we are going to pay attention to the Discord bot, the 3D model of it. And that's going to be the button for your Discord community, so that's going to redirect to that part. And so that's the current progress so far for the scenes. So if we talk about the hero section, it's going to be done pretty soon. And the idea for the hero section would be like, a map for the city, which is still work in progress, and it's going to be done pretty soon. So yeah, this is what we have so far, and thank you.